Hello and welcome. This is Christina with Legacy Real Estate in Grove, Oklahoma, and today I'm going to take you along with me as we tour a beautiful property sitting on almost 2 acres just outside of Grove. It is a Grove address, but it's in more of a rural setting, yet still close to town. The address for this property is 62941 East 255th Court. And again, that is in Grove, Oklahoma. Today, Lana East is having an open house at this property, and I am so excited to go tour it. So come along with me. I'm here at the property, and let me just tell you, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful spring day. It's a beautiful neighborhood. There's plenty of established trees, and the lot is nice and flat, easy to maintain, and I'm so excited to take you inside of this beautiful home. As you approach the front porch from the driveway, you'll see this large flower bed, and it is ready for your personal touches. It's cleaned up and ready to go. It just needs the flowers of your choice. I don't know about you, but when I look at this porch, it is just calling out for ferns in between every pillar and a rocking swing on both ends of the porch. The property goes back to where it has been mowed, just beyond the little trees there.
Hello.
Well, hi, Lana.
Welcome
Thank
to our
you.
open house.
Look at this beautiful home.
This fabulous home has been completely updated. It's a huge, oversized 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has a bonus room that could be a 4th bedroom or a den, 2nd living room, which every family looks forward to having. It's also on 2 acres.
Wow.
And it has an amazing fenced backyard for everyone's fabulous pets or children. And it also has views in the backyard of nature.
I noticed that. I love the views. There's nothing obstructing out there.
No, there's a farmer that owns that property, so it will always have that. And that's very attractive too to a lot of buyers. So this home is completely renovated. It has brand new, really nice luxury appliances. And if that doesn't tell you what a great job the owners did to get this home prepared, I don't know what does. But the flooring has been updated. They even fixed the garage and made it look brand new.
The garage does look awesome. It looks like a brand new property, and we'll get a video of the garage space also.
Awesome.
So this is on 2 acres, and it has lake access, is that right?
That's correct. So there are 2 ramps very nearby this home. So if that's your thing, if you love Grand Lake and you want to be on it, you can be there in less than a minute.
That is awesome.
Yes. Okay, so be sure and contact Christina or myself, Lana, if you have any questions. We would love to show you this home because it will definitely fit your needs.
Let's take a peek at the master bedroom and bathroom. The bathroom has a huge corner tub, a double vanity, walk-in closets with ample storage space and built-in shelving. Everything in this home looks brand new. You'll also find a separate shower and a private commode area. This lovely home features a split floor plan with a master on one side of the living room, and the other 2 bedrooms can be found on the opposite side of the living room. You'll enjoy the fireplace option as an additional heat source or just for a cozy ambiance on those chilly fall and winter nights. Here we're looking at the 2nd bedroom, which is on the back side of the home. Going back out into the hallway, you'll find the shared bath and an additional closet. And then you'll find the 3rd bedroom. This bedroom is on the front side of the home. And then this is the bonus room. This is the bonus room. It's because it has a faucet.
But it feels like a den.
Yeah.
And you gotta go to the garage through here, so that's what makes it more like a den.
Yeah. This is the views off the back porch. It's so peaceful out here. The owner said that there's approximately 50 trees on this lot. So if you're like me and you're a tree lover, that is a huge bonus. It's also already fenced and ready for your dogs or your kids to safely play, as Lana had mentioned. Well, friends, I hope that you enjoyed that short tour of 62941 East 255 Court in Grove, Oklahoma. I'd like to give a special thanks to Lana once again for having us out to the home today. And if you are looking for a home in the Grove, Oklahoma area, or maybe you're looking to sell your home in the area, I would love to help you reach your real estate goals in any way possible. I'll put my information in the description section of this video, and if there's anything I can do to help you, please let me know. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.